I'm Jason San Francisco, and this is my Black Friday Trader Joe's shopping haul. So let's see what I bought. I picked up some grilled chicken strips. Some all-natural ground turkey. Some curried white chicken salad. A few slices of salami for my cold cut sandwiches. Hash browns. Gotta have a good amount of carbs for breakfast. These are really delicious and seasoned. Love hash browns for breakfast. Also more cold cuts, so we got some smoked turkey breast. I also picked up a bunch of broccoli. I love broccoli. It's probably my favorite vegetable. Love these since I was a little kid when I would order beef and broccoli. So I love broccoli. I could eat them alone, or I could throw them with breakfast with eggs, but I love broccoli. Got some white truffle potato chips. These are fire. White truffle. Doesn't get better than these. Blueberries. You gotta have your fruits. Blueberries are very healthy for you. Anti-toxins. I love blueberries. Have them with breakfast. Throw them in some water. Or just eat them alone. But yeah, I believe these are a superfood. So I love blueberries. Gotta eat your blueberries. Garlic cheese breadsticks. These are fire. They're so good. Love these. These are probably my favorites that I purchased today from Trader Joe's. I get this almost every time I go to Trader Joe's. No matter what I buy, I'm gonna buy these garlic cheese breadsticks. These are, I could eat them all day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. Doesn't matter. These are the best. Got some white tuna, 2 packs, of course. Gotta have tuna, gotta have fish in your diet. Added 2 packs of sardines. Love sardines. A quick little appetizer when I don't have much time to cook, or I just want to eat something really quick. Just grab some sardines. Anchovies. I basically always buy these just because they're next to the sardines, but anchovies are pretty good. I don't like anchovies on my pizza, but I like anchovies alone, if that makes any sense. Do you like anchovies on your pizza? Or do you like them alone? I eat them alone. Do you eat them on your pizza or do you eat them alone? Let me know. A quick snack of banana chips. These are like my favorite chips. I love bananas. Bananas are my favorite fruit. And I love banana chips. Probably my second favorite item I purchased today. I love these. I always buy these from Trader Joe's whenever I get an opportunity to. Or even from Walgreens. It doesn't really matter. I love banana chips. And last but not least, we got a anti-toxin facial moisturizer. You know, we're all wearing masks nowadays, so we're all paying attention to what's happening with our faces. So I'm getting some moisturizer for my face. Make sure even if when I take the mask off, the face is still beautiful, okay? Get yourself a moisturizer. Yeah, so that was my food haul that's my Black Friday food haul from Trader Joe's. Let's check the bill. The bill was, can you see that? $51.93. So 18 items, $51.93. A little bit more expensive than I could do for Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is really affordable, but I needed to get a lot of proteins. I needed to get a lot of meats. So it's a little bit more expensive, but Trader Joe's is still extremely affordable. How was your Black Friday? Did you find any good shopping deals? Did you go to the stores or did you order online? I'm Jason, San Francisco. This is my Black Friday Trader Joe's shopping haul. Happy holidays to you and all.